So let's start with Salesforce account. We will create Salesforce account and we'll see basic of Salesforce admin, what all knowledge you should have. So for that, I have already URL developer.salesforce.com. Okay, you need to go to this URL. Okay, so here what you need to do, you need to go on this sign up option and you need to provide your detail, name, last name, email. So for Salesforce account, you can use same email ID multiple time. Okay, if your account is expired, then you can use same email ID multiple time. Okay, and username should be unique every time. As per my knowledge, like this account trial account is free for 2 month, 2 month. But I think I created my account long back, but still my account is active. So I'm not sure why it's like what is their duration, but my account is still active, so I will use same account. And I created I think 3-4 month back. So once you will do login, this will be your first page. Okay, so here you need to understand what all page we need and what all option you need to select. So first option you can see here, object and fields. Okay, so here once you will click on object, so you can see here we have multiple objects. So these are function, like already it's a existing function in Salesforce account. Okay, if you want, not function, you can say Salesforce object. These all are existing Salesforce object, but if you want, you can create custom object also. Okay, so what will be a procedure to create custom object, that I will tell you. Okay, so here you can see we have create option. Click on this create, then go to custom object. Okay, and here you need to give object name. Let's say I'm creating demo 2. Okay, then description you can give anything. Then there will be one unique identifier, or you can say primary key for this. Let's say demo 2 name. Okay, data type will be text. Click on save. So review all error message, what it's saying. Permission for this object are disabled for all profile by default. Okay, let me try with some other name. Okay, maybe my account expired or something.
I think the plural label is mandatory.
Sorry, this. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, So error message was not matching with what error we were doing. Okay, so here you can see this object created, and here you will able to see these all are like few fields inside this object, which will be by default elements or label you will get inside the Salesforce object what we created just now. Okay, so just now we created this one, and you can see here index is marked here. So this will be your primary key, and this value will, even if you will not pass, the unique value will be inserted here. Okay, so next what we need to do, we'll see like how we can insert data here and where exactly we will see data inside this object. Okay, for that I will create one duplicate tab, or yeah, select this option and click on your name. Okay, so here you can see by default we have multiple objects. Okay, and here okay, till this point I haven't added label, so first I need to create label. So in this same page, go to setups and search here tag. Okay, tabs, not tags. Okay, and here you need to create, so here you can see I already created multiple tabs: coupon, member point, member transaction. Here click and create new, let's say, okay, just now I created this demo 123. Let me take demo 123. Tab style you can take anything, or you can keep it default one. Click on next. Tab style you must need to select. Okay, okay, so demo tab style is Gita. You can take anything and then click on next. Okay, and then select default option, click on next, save. So now you can see here demo 123, one tab is created here. Now go ahead and refresh it. You can see here now more option, and you can see this particular tab. Once you will select it, you will able to see this particular demo object, demo 123 object, and here you can see all the data. But here till this point we don't have any data, so it's showing empty. So what I will do, I will insert data manually. So click on this new. So we have only one field, that is demo 2 name. So let me put any random value. Let me insert one more data. Now I created 2 entry for this particular object. So here you can see demo 2 name this or this I created just now. Okay, now in case like if we will have multiple attributes here, let me create few more attributes here. So again go to object manager. So our object is demo 123. Okay, go to field and relationship, and you can create here more number of fields. Okay, so data type, let's say data type is text. field name, length 26 character, name, that's fine. Next, save and new. Let me create one more text only for email. Next, email. Next, I will create one more field. Let me take phone. So I created 3 fields here. Let me go here again. Let me refresh this. I create new object. Now you can see name, email. Okay, where is phone number? I created phone number also, correct? Okay, phone number is not completed yet. Okay, so now we have email, name, phone number, other fields I added. I will go and refresh here and I will create new object. Still phone number is not here. Let it be. So demo name to something, name, okay, save and new. This time I am making only save. So now if I will see all the entry here, you can see only I am getting this primary key demo2 name. I am not getting email, phone number and other things. I am not getting here what I created. Okay, even if I will refresh this, only I can see this 4. So what you need to do in that case, here in this setting option, select field to display, and then you need to select here which all field you want to display. Email, name, created date. Okay, click on save. So now you can see name is coming, email is coming, sorry, this demo2 name primary key is coming, email is coming, name is coming and created date. Everything you can see here. So this is second like a place where you can create object, record manually and you can display them. Third option we have inside developer console. So here you can run query for this Salesforce object. Okay, so it's a very similar to our MySQL query. So like in select query, what we do, select, then column name. So column name we can get it from here, select name, okay, you should use this field name, not name, sorry, not field label, you should use field name. So select name underscore c comma email underscore c, then where from what is my object name? Demo 123. Let's go see. Okay, and then click on this execute. So you can see here we are getting 4 records. So 2 records we have this name and email, other 2 records we have null data, so we are getting null. Till this point everything for everyone, everything clear or any doubt? So in this way, like you can create Salesforce account, you can create Salesforce object, you can insert data inside Salesforce object manually, and you can run Salesforce query to check or to validate your query. Anyone has any doubt?
No, right.
Okay, so this one is also done. Next, we have Microsoft SQL account. Let me validate. Okay, so let me add one person here. So actually I asked her to do all POC and all, and she already did. So let me yeah, hi Chitimni, are you joined here? Chitimni, are you there?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay. Like last time you created database table, no? So what is that platform name? I forgot.
Clover Cloud.
Clover, CLOVER.
Yeah. Yeah. Clover-cloud.com. Okay, let me send that
Yeah,
link.
send me in this
Otherwise-
chat only. So there are many like accounts, like there are many platforms you can create your database account. So why I am saying to create on cloud, since you will able to deploy your code on server. Otherwise, like you will not able to deploy your code on any point cloud hub if you will use your local database. So you need to identify any database service provider which is available on internet. Okay. So this one I found, like this one is very good, and like they are providing this 1 month trial account. Okay, so you can create here. I think I already created. Let me quickly check which Gmail ID I used. Okay, so I already created my account. So simply they will ask few detail and you can create account here. Okay, so now Chitimini, where I will go for database? BN MySQL, where is MySQL?
Click on PHP. Created. Okay, 1 minute. Let me check.
Previously I was using another database, but that database like that takes lots of time to create account, and even if you will create account sometime that server will be down, so it will create lots of problem while testing. So when I was exploring I got this other option. Let me quickly check here.
You need to create organization.
Okay,
Create organization.
create an application or organization.
Organization. Go to
Okay, okay.
profile.
Yeah, here.
Yeah, that one. Only. Create organization. Created.
Yes, yes.
Add-on. Click on add-on. Here you will get MySQL. So first one, dev one.
5 connection, 10 MB.
Free.
Okay.
Next. Do next.
Yeah, yeah, got it. Just checking other daily 710. $5. This is monthly price or annual price? Okay. Name of the MySQL. Okay.
These are the credentials.
Host, database name, user, password, port, connection. Okay, and this I can see anytime, or I have to save now?
No, Ravi, you can see anything.
Okay, fine then. Yeah, thanks then. Okay, so we will test once like we are able to make connection. Our connection is working fine or not. So I will use MySQL Workbench. So this is another software you need to install. I will tell you like how to install. Click on MySQL connection, host. Database name. Port should be by default 3306. Username, password, database name. Let me quickly check. Username is this, database name is this. I think it should be schema name. Username this. Password. Okay. Anything else? No. Let me test connection. Failed to connect. Server host this.com. Connection name. Unknown MySQL server host. Okay, so it's not taking this host. So they are not taking this particular host. Okay, so this is not working. Let me try directly with Mulesoft account. Student, how you created table and all?
There itself created, Ravi, in website.
Oh, website only we can create. Okay, then.
Yeah.
Then maybe then we don't need that workbench. Okay, so from here it's working. So I'm not sure why workbench is not supporting that particular server. Maybe we need to find some other tool. And as Chitimani mentioned, like we can create table and all here only. So in that case we don't need workbench. Okay, so where I need to go inside this.
PHP myadmin. Yes, that.
Okay, then okay, fine.
Yes.
So we have same console here. So in that case we don't need like
We can create our own database.
yeah. So first we need to create one work schema. So let me see if I can create my own schema. Okay, this one I think this is for each user. Yeah, this one they are giving for each user, they will give this schema. So we will use this schema only. So here create table, table name, test, column 4, role, name, email, address, varchar. Okay, others should be fine.
Hello. I think my screen has stuck.
Sorry.
My screen shows stuck here. I cannot see. I mean these things. What are you doing?
Okay, is it same for everyone?
So Ravi, I'm able to see.
Then I think there is some network issue.
I can see your screen.
So there should be network issue from your side.
Okay. Rejoining. Okay.
Valid length. Okay. Okay, so we can create table here and everything is good. So I think this database server is now good for our POC and all, and this one looks like trusted also. I have seen their clients and all. It seems they have big clients. And previously what database I was using, I mean, since we need a remote database, local database if we will use, then we will not able to deploy on Cloud Hub. So previous all the database was not trusted one, and they were we were getting lots of issue, but this one is trusted, so everyone create account here. So let me share this URL to everyone. So anyone has any doubt on this database part? All good? MySQL and database good for everyone?
So we need to install over there.
Yes, we must need to. Not installation, that you need to just create an account there. And I think that account is only for 1 month. I'm not sure. That we will see if it will be for 1 month, then after 1 month again we will create. Okay, fine. So we are done with this Salesforce and this too. Now next we will go for Jira. Okay, so for Jira we need Atlassian account. So okay, Jira will take lots of time to do. So before that we need one SMS service provider. So this we are going to use OAuth. Okay, here also you need to create one account.
Ravi, the session is being recorded, right?
Yes.
Okay, thanks.
Let me break this recording.